For the Tampa Bay Rays, and they're playing the Chicago Cubs, and we have just arrived here at upstairs at Burke's.
Brink. Go Cubs. Thanks for the tour.
How you?
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your ceremonial first pitch, Tampa Mayor Castor and St. Petersburg Mayor Welch. Tampa Mayor Castor, St. Petersburg Mayor Welch. Ladies and gentlemen, great fans everywhere. Welcome back home, and together, let's enjoy your Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise and raise up for your Tampa Bay Rays.
Lead off man. First pitch.
Here we go. We welcome you. And a swing and a miss. He got him. Had him out in front. Strikes him out to end this one. 2 strikeouts.